Right. So please repeat the question and give me the answer. Okay. Module 1. Which
Yeah.
country are you from?
Yeah.
Which country are you from?
Which country from?
Which
I am from
country?
Sri Lanka.
Which country are you from?
Which country are you from? I am from Sri Lanka.
Very good. Which city were you born?
Which city you were born?
No. හොඳට අහගන්න.
I was
Which
born.
which city were you born?
Which city you were born?
Which city were you born?
So line is not clear.
Okay.
So which
Yeah.
city you were born?
Which city were you born?
Which city you were born?
Which city were you born?
Which city were you born?
Good.
I was born in Negombo.
Very good. Where do you live at present?
Where do you live at present? I live in Athulkote.
Very good. What do you do?
What do you do? I am a housewife.
Good. What is your ambition?
What is your ambition?
Good.
My ambition is to be a successful business lady.
Good. Who is your role model?
Who is your role model? My role model is Mother Teresa.
Wonderful. What is the highest qualification that you have?
What did the highest qualification that you have? I have passed my A-levels.
Good.
After that, I followed a cookery course
Good.
at Mrs. Mallika's academy.
Superb. What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies? My hobbies are driving and cooking.
Very good. What do you like to eat?
What do you like to eat? I like to eat rice and curry.
Superb. What is your favorite dessert?
What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is Vatalappa.
Superb. What is your greatest strength?
What is your greatest strength? My greatest strength is driving.
Superb. What is your greatest weakness?
What is your greatest weakness? My greatest weakness is being too kind.
Good. Tell me about your father. What did he do?
Tell me about your father. What did he do? My father passed away. He was a teacher. He taught mathematics.
I see. Tell me about your mother.
Tell me about your mother. She's a housewife.
Very good. Well done. Module 1. Well done. Shall we go to module 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, congratulations. We'll continue. Tell me about your siblings. What do they do?
Tell me about your siblings. I have 2 siblings.
Good.
My brother is an accountant.
Good.
My sister is a housewife.
Superb. What? Tell me about your best friend.
Tell me about your best friend. My best friend is my husband.
Good.
Whenever I need a
Good.
support,
Good.
he is with me.
Good. Superb. Tell me about your uncles. What do they do?
Tell me about your uncles, what they do.
What do
I
they
have
do?
2 uncles.
Good.
What do they do?
Good.
I have 2 uncles.
Good.
One uncle is an engineer.
Good.
Other one is an accountant.
Superb. Tell me about your aunties.
I have 2 aunties.
Good.
Both are housewives.
Superb. Tell me about your spouse and your children. The spouse you said. So tell me about your children.
I'm a mother of 2 children.
Good.
I have a son
Good.
and a daughter.
Good.
My son graduated at Monash University
Good.
as a mechanical engineer.
Good.
Now he is doing masters at Monash University.
Absolutely superb. Good.
My daughter my daughter is studying at Monash University.
Good.
She's doing chemical engineering.
Superb.
She's in 3rd year.
She's in the 3rd year. Repeat.
She is in the 3rd year.
Very good. Tell me about your nephews, nieces, and cousins.
I don't have any nieces.
Good.
I have 3. Sorry, sir. I don't have any nephews. I have 3 nieces.
Good.
Both of them are still studying.
Wonderful. Superb. Tell me about your paternal and maternal grandparents.
My paternal grandfather was a teacher.
Good.
My maternal grandfather was a teacher.
Also was a teacher. Repeat.
Teacher. Also was a teacher.
Very good. What is your daily routine?
What is your daily routine?
Good.
Usually I get up at 6 o'clock.
Good.
I have my tea.
Good.
After that, I meditate for 30 minutes.
Wonderful.
And I have my breakfast.
Good.
For breakfast, I like to eat cheese sandwiches.
Oh, Kitmini, I want to tell you something, right? Especially meditators. If you know anyone who is very keen, young people who are very keen on learning English and meditation full time, please ask if they're interested in meditating full time, okay? Meditating and learning English.
Yeah.
So at least for 3 months continuously, okay? If they are interested, tell me. I'm very interested in helping them.
Okay, so I will let you know.
Okay, but only thing is, I have to be honest with you. It's mainly Buddhist meditation, but anyone can come. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you're Catholic or Muslim or Hindu. It doesn't matter, Jew. Anyone can come. But the rules are Buddhist rules, so you have to, whoever comes has to follow those rules. They're very gentle rules. But anyone is welcome, so they can try it and
Yeah, I
see.
will let you know.
Yeah, wonderful. So we'll continue. What is your daily routine? Please continue where you stopped.
Mm, I meditate for 30 minutes.
Wonderful.
After that, I have my breakfast.
Good.
For, for, for breakfast, I like to eat cheese sandwiches.
Good.
After that, I do exercises with music.
Very good.
At 1:30, I have my lunch.
Good.
For lunch, I like to eat rice and curry with salads.
Good. That's very healthy. Super.
At 3
Good.
o'clock, at 3 o'clock, I have my tea with snacks.
Good.
After that, I do my daily prayers.
Wonderful.
At 10 o'clock, I go to bed.
Excellent. Super. Well done. Super. Super. Last question. List the skills you have in the descending order of market value. Now, this is important, very important for a professional woman, not a businesswoman.
Yes.
But maybe businesswoman. Say, if you're a businesswoman, you will have to pay employees. So when you pay employees, you have to pay them according to their skills, according to the market value, what you can afford. So think about yourself, and what do you think your most marketable skill is? What is your number one skill that you can sell in the marketplace as a businesswoman?
I'm an expert in cooking.
Wonderful. So that is number
I'm
one.
an expert in cooking.
Good.
Yeah.
That's number one. Good. Number two. You have to think. Your husband might know. Your children might know.
Marketing and reading are at beginner level.
Okay, marketing and reading. So then we can mention that later. Okay. So this is your homework. Your homework is contact your best friend, contact your children, contact your closest friends and relatives other than your husband, and ask them what they think
Yes.
your skills are, because your school friends would know, your favorite teacher would know.
Yes.
Right? Call your favorite teacher if possible. You can use your contacts, call your friends, just send your favorite teacher a gift, just ask the teacher what your skills are. Okay, I also know your skills, but I won't tell you. I will tell you after you mention your list. Okay, so that is your homework. So congratulations, module 1 and module 2.
Yes.
Definitely you have passed, right? So now your challenge is you have to help 2 students to pass module 1 and 2. Then you are qualified to teach module
Yes,
1
sir.
and 2. Okay, so I will also look for students who are suitable for you, because it's like marrying someone, now marriage is at the same level. Student and teacher, it's a different relationship. So you have to match the teacher and we have to match the student also, and that is not easy. So try to find a good student whom you like to help free of charge, or you can charge. You're most welcome to. And if you really can't find someone, I will try to find at least 2 students. So that is your challenge. Well done. Congratulations. Module 1 and 2, you have passed. Okay.
Thank you.
So now you're most welcome, and now you have to now, as a Catholic, it's a favor you do to God. Help 2 others to cross the stream to the other side, module 1 and module 2. And because you're a very kind person, you will make a good teacher, but we have to practice. It takes time. Okay.
Yes.
So please do your homework, contact everyone who loves you, respects you, and ask them what they think are your best 3 skills. Write it down, list it
Yes.
in the order. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Any number is fine, and then we are ready for the next class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So wonderful. So keep coming for Monday classes. I will get you to coach other students. And I'll see you on Wednesday, where you will do modules 3 and 4 with others.
Yes, sir.
And next time I think I will find a new address, hopefully, because the internet here is useless. I have dialogue, it's not working well. I had SLT broadband, it's not working well. SLT fiber optic, I can't get the connection. I got the connection in Anuradhapura, but I had to rent that property out. So I'm back to square one. So I might have to drive all the way to Kurunegala to get better reception. So let's see. Without internet, what can you do? There are highways, but no internet. So that's a problem. Okay, so congratulations. I'll see you on Wednesday, and we'll work on your homework and modules 3 and 4. Well done. See you soon.
Right.
All the best.
See you, sir.
All the best. See you.
Good
Well
night.
done. Good night.